Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So I don't know how I feel about this, but this guy Mark Dice posted a video trying to give away 1 ounce of gold, which is worth about $1,800, for random worthless stuff. And I just know it's going to be a train wreck. I know it's going to be a terrible video to watch, but that's what makes it good to watch. With that said, let's begin. Thanks, guys.
I'm Mark Dyson. This is a 1 ounce gold coin. It's a Canadian maple leaf worth today about $1,800, and I'm gonna see if I can trade it for, well, you'll see. Where'd you get that ice cream at?
How upset would he be if they're like, yeah, I'll trade you my ice cream for 1 ounce of gold? And he's like, well, actually, it's just a social experiment. So, no. And he just puts it away and walks away. I'd be worried people would say, like, yeah, give me the gold coin. I'd be like, well, wait, no, but you're not supposed to say that. Let's see what she says, though.
JoJo Creamery.
Looks pretty good.
Yes, it's very good.
You want to trade it for this 1 ounce Canadian maple leaf gold coin?
No, this is really good.
It's that good?
Yeah.
No! What? What? No! There's no ice cream that's that good. There's no way. I'm not sure if that's her boy. It looks like her boyfriend here. Why is he quiet? Why is he so silent all of a sudden? Why do we just hear crickets when he's looking at her and just like, that's a red flag. I better just, X-nay this one. Find someone else to date who prioritizes ice cream over a gold coin. How silly. The guy has a camera. Do they think they're being pranked? That's the only thing I could think of is she's like, oh, he's going to make an idiot of me. And look what happened. He made an idiot of her. Should have taken it.
What kind of watch is that?
Tissot.
Tissot. How much is that worth?
About $500.
$500.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good
Cheap one.
Cheap one. Cheap one. Would you want to trade that for a 1 ounce Canadian maple leaf gold coin?
I would not.
You would not.
What? Why are people so just bad? Dude, I'm so curious. I feel like it's hard to feel like this isn't scripted because it's not. How? I'm really trying to wrap my mind around how the guy's like a $500 Tissot watch for 1 ounce of gold. Come on. Why?
No, I don't know the value in that, though. I'm sure there's a lot, though, huh? Yeah.
Obviously you don't.
I don't know. No. I have no idea. Is it real gold? Should I bite it? Can I bite it? And
You could, but you could. Easier way would be just take it into this coin shop and they would verify.
And they would verify.
Yeah, they could do like a magnetic test, do a ping test on it.
Awesome.
Weigh it and measure it.
Okay. I don't want to do that.
You don't want to trade that for the watch?
No.
How? Again, it's just like, I'm curious, if you saw this guy on the street, would you do it? I would, as long as I knew, like if I had something worth like $1,500, would I trade it for $1,800 worth of gold? No, but ice cream, a $500 watch, yeah. Anything worth under $1,000, I trade it in a heartbeat for 1 ounce of gold.
What you got there? Some energy drinks or?
Oh no, this isn't energy drinks. This is a hazy IPA from Culture Brewing.
Hazy IPA from Culture Brewing.
Yeah.
Would you like to sell those to me for this 1 ounce Canadian maple leaf?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No, but you know what? In fairness, this guy did not say what 1 ounce it is.
1 ounce Canadian maple leaf?
Is it 1 ounce of copper, 1 ounce of nickel, 1 ounce of platinum, 1 ounce of silver? You know what? Even 1 ounce of silver would have been worth it for that. You should try the same thing with silver. I'm curious if people would be more likely to take 1 ounce of silver over gold. Gold's is like, a lot of people might fake it, or it might not be entirely real, but silver, it's like, who fakes silver?
Final chance?
No.
The answer's no.
The answer's no.
Thank you.
I'm curious if it's the Canadian 1 ounce. It doesn't make any difference, by the way. Bullion is bullion no matter where you get it in the world. But I'm wondering if they're like a US 1 ounce coin and be like, oh yeah, I buy it. But the Canadian 1 ounce coin, they're like, no, I'll pass.
That's a nice water bottle you got there.
Thank you.
Would you like to sell it for a Canadian maple leaf 1 ounce gold coin?
No, I think I'm okay. I use it too often.
You use it too often.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Somebody's got to say yes to this.
I volunteer as tribute.
How does he go the entire day? Unless he's just giving out coins left and right, and like he asked 100 people and 7 of them say no, and he gave away like $200,000. How?
You want to trade your Coke for a 1 ounce gold coin?
No.
It's a Canadian maple leaf gold coin.
I see.
No.
Pretty thirsty. No.
What? His soda? His soda. Why would he prioritize a soda? I really hope he sees this video and looks back. It's like, I just made the worst mistake of my life. I hope all of his family is like, shame on you. Shame on you. You should have taken the coin. Come on.
That's a nice mask.
Thanks.
I need a mask with the mandates coming back. You want to sell that mask to me for this Canadian 1 ounce maple leaf coin?
Good.
No?
I don't think giving you this mask is gonna do anything.
Oh, I would wash it before I would use it.
Oh, no, I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
You have too many 1 ounce gold maple leaf coins laying around?
I'm not gonna go to Canada anytime soon.
You're not going to go to Canada anytime soon.
Oh, no. Come on. What does she expect? That what? Only Canada would take gold?
I don't know how I'd spend a Canadian coin.
Are you on?
I don't live in Canada.
You don't live in
It has
Canada?
no value to me, right?
Oh, no. Come on. This is getting worse. How do people live like this? They really think gold is just, they can only spend gold in Canada. Come on. You could go to any pawn shop and guaranteed they'll offer like $1,500 for that.
What you got in the bag?
Just some clothes.
Just some clothes?
Yeah, thrifting.
You want to sell them to me for this 1 ounce gold coin?
No.
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 He was about to say yes, and she's like, no.
No.
No. That's not, he didn't even ask her. He didn't even ask her, and she butts in, no.
No, don't take it. Don't take it. That's a bad deal.
They need to break up immediately, and she needs to pay him $1,800.
Why not?
It's not the same value.
It's not the same value.
He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. He wants to do it. He's on the fence. He's thinking like, am I going to be an idiot if I do this? Is this a prank? And she, now, come on.
How much are those clothes worth?
How much was it?
Like $40.
$40?
Yeah, $40.
Oh, man.
Break up. That's the only way to salvage this. Break up now. Just, it's over.
You sure?
It's tempting.
We're chilling.
No, he's doing. He keeps like. She pulls him back, and he's like kind of gravitates a little bit more. He's like, you know what? I think we should do it. No, and then pulls him back again. Come on. I really hope they tell them afterwards how much that thing is worth.
It's a octopus?
Octopus?
Or jellyfish, that's right.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
And that's to eat?
It's a decorative rock.
Oh, it's a
Basically,
decorative
that's
rock.
what's it, clear glass?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Would you want to sell it to me for this Canadian maple leaf?
No, because it's my jellyfish
No,
and
it's
I love
hers.
it.
Oh, no, it's yours.
I bought it for her.
Oh, you bought it for her?
Yeah.
Oh no, he would have said yes too. She's like, no, it's mine. My octopus. Come on.
That'd be like a big loss if you were to trade it for this gold coin.
Well, I don't know what gold's going for these days, so.
How do they not know that gold's worth more than $25? This is just terrible. Do you guys know, I know within probably a $200 range where gold is trading at any given point. I would say right now it's about $18.50. Price of gold per ounce. I'd say $18.50. What are we at right now? $18.14. $18.14. Went down a little bit. But come on.
That's a nice hat you got.
Thank you.
You want to sell it to me for this Canadian maple leaf gold coin?
I do not.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Is it like
I
have,
love
like,
my hat.
Oh, you love your hat that much?
Yeah.
Is it like have special powers or something?
No, just I wear it pretty often.
I love the kid just waving in the back. Offer him the coin, you know?
That's a nice necklace you got there. Would you want to sell it to me for this Canadian 1 ounce gold coin?
Oh, I hope she says yes. Somebody needs to just say yes. Please. Please do it.
We're in the United States.
What's that? Because we're in the United States?
Yeah.
And then what are you going to do with the Canadian gold coin in the United States?
Again, it's like people think like Canadian gold isn't the same as American gold, isn't the same as Australian gold, isn't the same as gold. Gold is gold. It's a metal.
You want to trade them for this Canadian 1 ounce maple leaf coin?
No, these are special.
Those are special.
Yeah.
All right, how much did they cost?
Like $50.
$50.
Yeah, this is about like 180.
So that definitely you don't want to trade those for this 1 ounce Canadian gold maple leaf.
that is.
Give this guy a prize for economics here. Just give him a business degree. He may as well be in charge of the Federal Reserve at this point. He deserves it.
It's a 1 ounce gold Canadian
No.
maple leaf coin.
No, I'm good.
I wonder how much of it is the utility value. That people just are like, I could get more value, let's just say, from wearing a hat and keeping the sun out of my face than I could from a Canadian gold coin, because the coin's just going to sit there, and then you have to pawn it off, or you have to work to get the cash out. Versus this, it's like you put on a polo, you wear it. I'm wondering how much of that is utility value.
What you reading?
I'm reading a book of James Nestor.
That's pretty good.
Breath.
You want to trade it for this 1 ounce Canadian gold coin?
No, thank you.
No? It's that good of a book?
Yes.
It really
Oh,
is.
heck yeah.
It must be.
Oh, I thought this guy was going to do it. Everybody who I think, oh, they have a chance, nope. They just say, nope, no, I don't want that. Get it away from me. No, I don't want Canadian coins.
What are you going to do with a Canadian gold maple leaf coin?
No parlo italiano. No. I don't know. I won't know what to do with it.
Okay.
The guy just suddenly stopped speaking English.
Want to trade me this Canadian maple leaf coin for your sunglasses?
No.
No. Wait, what kind of?
Why is he laughing? He's like laughing. He's like, get alone on this guy, huh? Meanwhile, he's the one being laughed at. Gosh.
I mean, I don't know if that's a real coin.
Oh, it is. We can go into the coin shop and verify that it's real.
What a great advertisement for Encinitas Coin and Jewelry. Where are they? Encinitas, California. Wow. What a great advertisement for them. See, if you're trying to promote your business, this is the way to do it. This creative marketing here. Now I want to go there so I could buy and sell some gold coins.
There's tests they can do. Just do a quick magnet test. They can weigh it, measure it. They can do a ping test on it.
Kind of looks like an old version of Brian Casella. I don't know if any of you guys used to watch the good old real estate agent videos. Pull up an old video of Brian Casella. Could put them right next to each other. With the glasses, they look almost identical. But this guy's like, you could get it verified in the place to confirm it's real. Why wouldn't he at least do that?
That's a nice jacket.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Think it would fit me?
I mean, I don't know. What's that? I'm pretty big, so.
Oh, we got the music. I hope this is a yes. Let's see if this one's a yes.
You want to trade it for this 1 ounce gold coin?
Ooh, probably not.
No.
But no, why?
Does it mean that much to you?
It means a lot to me.
It does?
Yeah.
That means a lot to me too. How about your socks? No, those mean the world to me. What about that bubblegum wrapper? No, I can't. I gotta keep that. The excuses people come up with.
Okay. Maybe the sunglasses. How about the
Oh, probably not. No.
You won't trade those either?
No, probably not.
She's shaking her head too. She's on board with this. They're perfect for each other.
I needed a jacket.
Okay, well, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah. Next time.
This helps.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, this isn't gonna make you more money because you turned down that gold coin.
What you got there?
A vape. Do you want to hit it?
A vape. I don't vape, but I know people that do.
This guy has just laser focus of what's going on. Why is he talking to my girl like that? Why they're making a lot of eye contact? Why is he doing that? This guy's a little, let's see, hopefully he says yes.
You want to sell me that vape for this Canadian gold maple leaf?
No, because I will use the vape a little more than the coin.
You'll use the vape more than the coin?
Okay, but hold on. Is this gonna end up? I'm gonna look so dumb, huh? I kind of love it.
Okay, all right.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
I love the camera.
Oh no, well her guy just walked off. I'm not sure if that was a jealousy thing. It's just like, no, you're talking to another guy. Let's go. Trying to yank her away. Or he's like, this is stupid. But you know what? He would be telling her to like, hey, take it. We'll split the money. Something like that.
Would you like to trade the water bottle for a Canadian maple leaf?
No,
No?
this is a special bottle.
It's a special bottle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like a
Sorry about
family
that.
heirloom?
Yeah.
What is up with all these people having special items? I don't besides the watch, I have very few things that are special to me that a gold coin couldn't compensate for.
You know what? With all this inflation, I think I'm gonna hold on to my gold coin on second thought.
Wow. I want to see. There's got to be somebody who would have said yes. I want to see all the yeses and what would happen there. But guys, what would you do? Would you have taken the gold coin? I think everyone here would say yes, but this just loses my faith in humanity. So with that said, guys, I'm going to go and make some more coffee. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.